What's it like in India? Now don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Focus on the road. Hands at 10 and 2. Hello. So my friends have no idea. So I thought I would show them a little taste of driving in Chennai. It's crazy. What do you have to do to get your license here?
There are different things that we need to do. So if you're going to ride a motorcycle, you have to put an 8 in your motorcycle without keeping your leg down. And then there are similar activities for the car. They make you stand in a slope, and you have to take reverse without losing the control.
Nice. Every other person has a helmet on. Hey, Douglas Comstock. We're driving in India. Chennai.
That we are going to go on is now called Katipara. That is actually the shape of a double infinity. You will feel that now in a moment.
This is awesome. If we get in an accident, I'll have it on video. Seriously, this should be a video game. Driving in Chennai. Ding, ding.
So we are getting on the very famous bridge in Chennai.
And the name of it again?
Katipara.
Katipara. Hey, Phil.
And the one you're seeing at the right is the metro bridge. So the metro train goes there, and it was started like 2 years ago in Chennai. You can see a metro there, Darren LaCroix.
Yep.
That's the Chennai metro for you. Yay!
This is the best sightseeing ever. Scenery is always changing every second. You do your thing, man. I'm just...
Finally.
How far do we have to go?
Depends on the traffic. Should be 5 to 10 minutes max.
Hit the gas. Otherwise I'm not going to take it for the walk-off one.
Beep beep. Watch out. It's our sonar. We're coming. I wonder if the police monitor Facebook if I'm getting in trouble for this.
I've got like things to handle that. So that's
Oh, good.
no problem.
Well, where were you when I was trying to get through immigration?
I'm sure I would have handled it better than Satish Menon. I'm sure he is hearing this.
Uh-oh. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. No, eyes on the road. Don't look at me. They sit side saddle, the ladies. That's crazy. Remove our Premier tissues for a second.
That's right.
Yeah.
We're almost there. We should be there.
Just giving everyone a tour of Chennai. Hey, Renee. Hey, Walt.
We're almost there.
Hello. Alright, I'm going to let everyone go. And hopefully we'll make it there on time.
You don't want to show them the venue? We were almost
Oh,
there.
okay. We'll show you the venue. We're going to show you the venue. Thanks for watching this long. Telling you, we should make this a video game. Can you make it without an accident?
We've been doing it.
So far.
Yes.
Then,
Over there?
I think that's the one from Second World War.
That's war
That's
War
the
Memorial.
graveyard? Is
Yeah.
that where they
Yes,
put all the
yes.
people get in accidents?
Not accident, it's from the
Second World
Second
War
World
One.
War.
Wow.
We are here.
Made it.
Where is the
Accident free.
Ovation entrance?
That the other entrance.
Okay, so this is the place that it's all single place. You can see that name there, the Chennai Trade Center.
So we're having the convention, 1,000 people coming.
Yeah.
Hello.
This way, entry.
Where's this thing?
Along that road.
Okay, we are entering the venue.
Hey, Paul Sharp. All is well in China. Taking you on a tour of Chennai.
கெஸ்ட் இருக்காங்க ட்ராப் பண்ணிட்டு கெஸ்ட் இருக்காங்க ட்ராப் பண்ணிட்டு
Chief guest னு சொல்லுங்க.
चीफ गेस्ट यूएसए वो ड्रॉप से ड्रॉप कर
I'm the white guy.
वो चीफ गेस्ट है आज का मीटिंग का, वो उसके ड्रॉप करके आ जाएगा वापस।
पार्किंग होता करेंगे
आज का चीफ गेस्ट
आज का चीफ गेस्ट है
वो आज का चीफ गेस्ट है, उसका वहाँ ड्रॉप करके जाना है इसलिए।
चीफ गेस्ट நாங்க ட்ராப் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துறேன் நாம Okay.
So I'm the chief guest. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the one that is inside.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the convention center. I'm going to get you a good view of it.
Nice. Sure, now the band stops playing? Come on.
I'll start when you
When you get
When I
down.
get out. Wow, everyone's dressed up.
yeah. Oh, it's Sri Lankan folks.
Come on, hit it.
Yeah, last